Volatile and non-volatile storage of a computer system. First, we shall discuss about the volatile storage device. Volatile storage requires power to maintain the stored information. Once the power is off, all data is lost. So the storage device, those needs power to maintain the stored information, is called volatile storage device. Volatile storage device loses their data if the power is turned off. Characteristics: high speed. Volatile storage devices are high speed, used for active processes and tasks. This sort of devices are being used for active processes and tasks. Temporary storage. Volatile storage device is a temporary storage device. Now the examples of volatile storage device: RAM, random access memory, is a volatile storage device. Cache memory is a volatile storage device. Now about the non-volatile storage device. Non-volatile storage retains data even when the power is turned off, making it suitable for long-term data storage. The characteristics of non-volatile storage devices: it is slower than volatile storage, but the storage is permanent storage. Non-volatile storage devices are being used for storing files, applications, and system data. Examples of non-volatile storage device: HDDs, that's been hard disk drives, flash drive, SSD, optical disk drive, and magnetic tape are the example of non-volatile storage device. Now, testing the learning outcomes. Which one is volatile storage? A. ROM. B. RAM. Which one is volatile storage? The correct answer is RAM. Random access memory is volatile storage device. Next question: which type of memory is used to store BIOS in a computer system? Option A, ROM. Option B, RAM. Which type of memory is used to store BIOS in a computer system? The correct answer is A. Read-only memory is used to store BIOS in a computer system. Next question: flash memory is classified as non-volatile or volatile. Flash memory is non-volatile or volatile. The correct answer is A. Flash memory is classified as non-volatile. Next question: main purpose of using volatile memory is to provide faster data access for the CPU, or B, to store the OS. Which one is correct answer? Main purpose of using volatile memory. Option A, to provide faster data access for the CPU, and option B, to store the OS. The correct answer is A, to provide faster data access for the CPU. It is the main purpose of using volatile memory. Next question: long-term data storage device is CPU cache or SSD? Which one is correct answer? Long-term data storage device is SSD. Next question: which statement is false? A. Non-volatile memory retains data when the power is off because it is directly connected to the power supply. Option B. Non-volatile memory retains data when the power is off because it stores data on magnetic or flash media. Which is the correct answer? The question is, which statement is false? Option A. Non-volatile memory retains data when the power is off because it is directly connected to the power supply. Option B. Non-volatile memory retains data when the power is off because it stores data on magnetic or flash media. We have to find out the false statement. The false statement here is A. Non-volatile memory retains data when the power is off because it is directly connected to the power supply. It's false statement.